Good day everyone. We are now going to discuss about the domain of rational functions. A rational function is a quotient of two polynomials or an equation that can be written in the form f of x is equal to p of x over q of x, where p and q have no factors in common and polynomial q of x is not zero. Let us now determine the restrictions of the variable x in the denominator of this expression. Solution. The denominator should not be equal to 0, so therefore x is not equal to 0. Okay, let us now determine the restrictions of the variable x in this rational expression in the denominator. So 2x minus 1 is not equal to 0. So we will now determine the value of x that makes it undefined. So 2x minus 1 is not equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 1. Divide both sides by 2. So x equals to 1/2. So therefore x should not be equal to 1/2. Let's now determine the restrictions of the variable x in the denominator of x plus 1 over 5x minus 2. So 5x minus 2 is not equal to 0. So let's determine the value of x that makes it 0. So 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then, so 5x is equal to 2. Divide both sides by 5. So x is equal to 2/5. So the restriction is x should not be equal to 2/5. Let's now find the domain of the rational function, which is f of x is equal to 1 over x. To find the domain of the rational function is to determine the restriction of the variable in the denominator. Therefore, this function is undefined at x is equal to 0. So the domain of the function is x such that x is not equal to 0. Or the answer would be from negative infinity to 0 union with 0 to positive infinity. Okay, let's now find the domain of this rational function. So this is undefined at x equals to 1. So therefore the domain is x such that x is not equal to 1, which is from negative infinity to 1 union with 1 to positive infinity. Okay, let us now find the domain of this rational function. F of x is equal to x over 2x plus 3. So to find the undefined, so equate 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then you subtract both sides of the equation by 3. Afterwards, you divide both sides of the equation by 2. So x is equal to negative 3 over 2. And so the domain is x such that x is not equal to negative 3 over 2. Or for the interval notation, that would be negative infinity to negative 3 over 2 union with negative 3 over 2 to positive infinity. Thank you very much for watching and listening. See you soon!